This May, the Carlsbad Fire Department and Community Development Department will team up with the International Code Council to celebrate Building Safety Month.
Building Safety Month is an annual campaign that's designed to raise awareness about building safety.
This year's campaign, Prevent, Prepare, Protect, Building Codes Save, will raise awareness about the importance of building and fire codes to ensure safety in the spaces in which we live, work, and learn. Each week in May, we will highlight 4 themes.
Week 1 will cover energy and innovation. Building energy codes contribute to the health, safety, and welfare of communities and citizens, reducing energy bills, improving occupant and community health, enhancing resilience, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Week 2 covers training the next generation. Well-trained and certified building safety professionals help to create and maintain a safe built environment. Training helps building safety professionals properly enforce the building and fire code requirements also.
Week 3, we will highlight pool safety and the importance of fencing around pools, self-latching gates, alarms on doors leading to a pool, and most important, adult supervision when children are swimming. Week 4, we will share important information that will help you keep your home and businesses safe from wildfire and other disasters. For our community to be fully prepared, we need residents and businesses to be ready too. The best time to get prepared is before disaster strikes.